Okay, guys, this is my friend Margarita. I don't know why, but she liked me so much. Let's see. Look, she's gonna fly around the condominium, and she's gonna come this way, I think. Oh, look. Oh, she passed. You missed my hand. I'm sorry. I was late. Go again. Now she's gonna fly one more time. Let's see if she come to my finger this time. Hey! Hey! Ah, very good. Say hello, friends. I wish you guys the best. Hope you guys doing good. Say, my name is Margarita, the white quacker, or parrot, whatever you guys want to call me. But my name is Margarita. Say, bye-bye. There we go again. Let's see if she's coming back. Sometimes she don't come back. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there we go. She's coming again. She likes me. Okay. Okay, beautiful. You have new feathers? Look. They are growing. You're beautiful. What happened? Change your feathers? Yes? Okay, let me give you a kiss. Say bye-bye, guys. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. I don't think she's coming back now, but before I end the video, let's see if she's coming back. Oh, look. She come back to my shoulder. I didn't even see it. Okay, Margarita. Say bye-bye, guys. Say bye.